Hi guys, it's Mokube here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix cannot monetize with in-stream ads. Let's get into the video. So if you want to solve this issue, we are going to click on on more. So I'll be showing you the various territory in which you can actually locate your Facebook page in such a way that you might be able to monetize your Facebook page with in-stream ads. So this is it here. In-stream ads are available in these countries and territories. So we'll click here. As you can see, these are the various countries, but actually right now I'm in Cameroon. So in Cameroon, Facebook does not allow videos to be monetized with in-stream ads. So that's the reason why I actually got this strike. So if you want to solve this out, you simply need to contact anybody available in any of these countries. That is somebody you trust. Request another review. So after that, you can see, you make sure you check out this box, after which you simply read it out before clicking on request review. So after that, this one is going to actually take 3 to 2 business days for Facebook to actually review your Facebook page for monetization. So after that, you click on close. So after waiting for about 2 to 3 business working day, our Facebook page was actually monetized. As you can see, we are now eligible to earn on our Facebook page. That's it. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.